Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. As part of Java tutorial, today I will show you if-else statement in Java. Then there is the first question, what is if-else statement? So in Java programming, if-else statement is a conditional statement that allows you to execute different block of code based on whether a certain condition is true or false. Here is the example. If there is a condition, if that condition is true, it will execute the first block of code. If that is not true, it will go to the else block and will execute the else block code. Also, it might have multiple condition. If condition 1, if it is true, then it will execute first block of code. Then if it is not true, it will go to the second condition. If that is true, it will execute the second block of code. If condition 1 and condition 2 both are false, it will go to the else block and will execute the third block of code. This is the way if-else statement works in Java. So let me open an editor. I'll use the Eclipse. You can use any other editor. So here already my project package is set it up. Those who are very new in Java programming as well as Eclipse IDE, I have a separate video how to set it up project package in Eclipse. I'll put that link in the description box. You can watch from there. So select the package, right click, new, then click class. Here you need to write your class name. My class name is if else example. Then you need to check public static void main method, because in order to run your Java code, you need the main method. So then click finish. Once it is finished, here is the code writing window. You need to write your code over here. First, I am declaring two variables, integer my age equal to, let's say, 65. Then I am declaring another variable, integer Medicare age equal to 65. Both my age and Medicare age both are 65. You know that Medicare eligibility start from the 65. So now the code, if there is a condition, if my age equal to Medicare age, if my age and Medicare age is equal, then there is a block of code. So here we need to write our code. Let's say system.out.println I am eligible for Medicare. So if this statement is true, it will execute this block of code. What else if this statement is not true? Then else so control space, then I am not eligible for Medicare. So now save it. Though I am eligible because my age is 65, then it will execute the first block of code. Run as Java application. You see, I am eligible for Medicare. What else if my age is less than 65? Let's say my age is 64. What will happen? It will check the first condition. First condition will be false. That's why it will go to the else block and it will execute the second block of code. So right click, run as Java application. You see, I am not eligible for Medicare. What else if I have one more condition? So else if, then I can put another condition, my age greater than Medicare age. Let's say Medicare age is 65, but my age is, let's say, 74, which is greater than 65. That means that condition is true. So I am Medicare age, my age is greater than Medicare age, then I am over 65, so eligible for Medicare. Then if both condition is not true, it will go for the else block. SYSO, control space, I am under 65, not eligible for Medicare. So let's say this three statement. First condition is my age equal to Medicare age, and second condition is my age greater than Medicare age, and if those are not true, then it will execute this block of code. So now is my age greater than Medicare age, so second statement should be print. So let me run it. Right click, run as Java application. You see I am over 65, so eligible for Medicare. So that means if you are equal to Medicare age, you are eligible. Then if your age greater than 65, you are also eligible. Let's say now I'll do less than Medicare age. My age is 54. What will happen then? So first condition is not true, second condition is not true, it will execute the third block of code. So right click, run as Java application. You see I am under 65, not eligible for Medicare. That means if else statement all are working as expected. So in this way you can write any logic, like let's say now we have a smart door lock. If there is a door lock, that behind that it is a if else statement written. If your input code is matching with the door code, whatever it is saved, then if it is matching, then door will open, otherwise it will remain closed, something like that. So if else statement work basically in that way. So I believe those who are new in Java programming as well as if else statement, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.